असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 10.2 problem number 1. Look at the question first. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. The diameter of the base and height of the cone are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. So here given a cone and a hemisphere, and the cone is mounted on a hemisphere, and the diameter of the base and height of the cone, diameter of the base and height of the cone given 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. It means base diameter is 6 cm and height is 4 cm. Okay, these are the given information. So with the use of this information we have to find the surface area of the toy. So what is the toy shape now? Look at here. So given cone, this is a cone actually, and hemisphere, this is the hemisphere, or we can take this is also hemisphere, this, or we can take this. Okay, right. So both are hemispheres. So I am taking here this according to our problem, right. So the cone is a cone mounted on a hemisphere. Toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. So how the shape of toy? Cone mounted on hemisphere. It means the shape of the toy is now, this is a cone, okay, yes, this is the shape of the toy. The toy will be like this here. Okay, right. So what is given? The diameter of the base and height of a cone. So this is the base, here it is the center, and this is the radius, this is the height. So given diameter means from here to here. So given how much? 6 cm diameter. So given D is equals to 6 cm and height is 4 centimeters given. Okay. So the base of the cone and the surface of the hemisphere both are same here. They are coincidence here. Okay. Right. So what is the diameter of this hemisphere now? It is also 6 centimeters, isn't it? Did you get that? The base of the cone and the surface of this hemisphere both are coincidence to make a toy. Okay, right. This is the required toy now. So we have to find here the surface area. The surface area of this toy. So what is the surface area of this toy now? So this topic belongs to combination of solids, isn't it? Combination of solids. So here the toy is a combination of a cone and a hemisphere, isn't it? So what is the surface area of the toy becomes? Right here. So I am going to erase this. Now the surface, this is a solution. The surface area of the toy is equals to area of the cone, in particularly CSA, okay, nothing but curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area of the cone plus CSA of the hemisphere, isn't it? The surface area of this toy is equals to the surface area, curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area of the cone and bottom CSA of the hemisphere. Okay, right. Now we have to find the CSA of the cone as well as CSA of the hemisphere. Then we shall add both the things. We get the surface area of the toy. I think you have got the complete picture about this question, isn't it? Right. Now we are going to solve this problem. Right. So this is the required thing. Write on it. I am going to erase this. So take down figure here. Right. So this is radius r, or given it is 6 centimeters, and here it is 4 centimeters height. Right. So given diameter D is equals to diameter of the cone is equals to D is equals to 4 centimeters. But we need R is equals to radius, R is equals to D by 2, isn't it? So half of the D is our R. So 4 centimeters by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are nothing but, sorry, is it 4? I think is it 6, I think. Okay, sorry, very sorry. It is 6 centimeters. 2 threes are 3 centimeters. So D is 6 centimeters. So R value is 3 centimeters. So we got R is equals to nothing but radius 3 centimeters. Okay, right. Next. So what is the curved surface area formula? CSA of the cone is equals to, what is the formula? We have pi RL. R we have, and pi is always 22/7, and we need to find the L. It is nothing but here it is L, the slant height. What is the formula for slant height? Slant height is equals to L is equals under root of R square plus H square is the formula we have. So what is the R value? It is 3 centimeter whole square plus H square. H is nothing but we have 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters whole square the root. Okay. So what becomes? L is equals to 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Isn't it? Is it clear? Right. What becomes? L is equals to 3 3s are 9 centimeter and centimeter square. So it becomes 9 centimeter square plus 4 4s are 16 centimeter square under root. So L is equals to 9 plus 16 25 centimeter square. Okay, this we can write 5 centimeter whole square. 25 centimeter square we can write 5 centimeter whole square. Here the square root gets cancelled. So L equals to 5 centimeters we got. Now what is the slant height? This value equals to 5 centimeters. So we have now formula pi RL. So I am going to erase this. So we have R value, H value and L value. So what is the formula? Pi RL. So I am going to substitute the values in that. So L I got 5 centimeters here. Okay, right. So CSA of the cone is equals to pi RL, that is equals to pi 22/7 or it is 3 centimeters into L 5 centimeters. Okay, right, what becomes 22 into 3 centimeter into 5 centimeter by 7. 22 into 3, it is 66 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 6 are 30, 33, 330. So 330 centimeter into centimeter square by 7. This is the CSA of the cone we got. Okay, CSA of the cone we got 330 centimeter square by 7. Okay, consider it is equation 1. Okay, now what we have to do, this is the cone surface area. Now we have to find the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, right. So remember this thing, I will use this formula, I will use this while solving the toys surface area, right. Now CSA of the hemisphere, what is that formula? 2 pi r square is the formula we have. Okay, so what is the r value? So we have already known the radius of the cone and the hemisphere both are same because the surfaces are coincidence here. Okay, right. So the radius of the hemisphere r is equals to 3 centimeters. Okay, in bracket, as we know that cone and hemisphere surfaces are coincides. Okay, in particularly the base of the cone and the top of the hemisphere both are coincidence. Okay, if you want to clearly write down that also. Okay, so right, so what is the formula? 2 pi r square, we have r equals to 3 centimeters. I am going to substitute here 2 into pi 22/7 into r value 3 centimeter whole square. Okay, so it becomes 222 44 into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter by 7, here it is. So 44 into 9 centimeter square by 7, isn't it? Next, what we do? 44 into 9, 44 into 9, 9 4s are 36, 6 here, 3 carry, 9 4 36, 39, 396. Okay, so what we got? 396 by 7 centimeter square. So CSA of the hemisphere, what is that? 396 by 7 centimeter square, isn't it? Correct. Now what we need to find? Actually we need to find the curved surface area, curved surface area of this toy. Okay, it is a combination of this cone and the hemisphere. So the CSA of the toy is equals to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, so what is that? CSA of the cone we got here 330 330 centimeter square by 7 plus CS of the hemisphere 390 centimeter square by 7. Okay, right. Now we need to add these two fractions here. So 330 by 7 plus 396 by 7 centimeter square at an outside. What it becomes? It is 7. 330 plus 396. So both the denominators are same. That is why I am taking here. So it becomes 330 plus 396. 330 plus 396. 6, 12, 1. 726. 726 by 7 centimeter square. Okay. So if I want to cancel this, or we can take the division between these two. So what becomes? So what becomes? 726. Here 7. 7 ones are 7. 0 here. Take 20. Okay. Before going to that, we shall try here. 7, 726. So 7 into 100, 700. So 7 into 103. 103 into 7. What becomes? 721 00. Sorry, 21 0 7 721. 7103 is 721 it is. So 5 is remainder. Take 0 here and 0 here. Take decimal point here and point here. 7 here. 49 1. So take 0 1. It is 7. 3 remainder. It is enough. What is that? 103.71 centimeter square. So the CSA of the cone, toy, equals to 103.71 centimeter square. Okay, this is the answer. I think you have got the complete idea about this problem. So in the mensuration, you need to understand the question first. Okay, right.